450 million we are talking about, you know, Esperanza. And that we are talking about, you know. And I said, brother, but they have the project with them, and no. And I said, no. And I said, so what are we going to do about this now?
Yeah.
This is the, and I pause the project, you know.
Stop them, stop.
I stop them, stop it.
There's no continue.
Yeah.
So everything basically gone down the drain.
Yeah.
We are looking for a mason man.
No, we don't
We
really
are down
come
from
from
the
around
flat.
there, brother. You have to forward down that side there,
Yeah,
yeah?
go down from the flat. See if we find it.
Wrong turn. Wrong turn.
Wrong turn, yeah.
I'm up in the actors.
Yeah, you see that now? You see that here there?
Ah, you see that?
Yeah.
Down there.
Skating
You
now.
don't want to see me go down there, you know, with that thing there.
Yeah man, him take the wrong turn for true.
Yeah, man. Boy, the views for this are wicked.
Yes, man, I'm wicked. I feel like I'm going to kill him now.
Bro, what are we don't just come help you? Alright, yeah. So, a 450. So you see up here, brother, I have picture, I have video. I him up here, I sneak. Bro.
Yeah.
Really? So, action.
Old boy. Oh. Gen man.
Yeah, your friend. You got proof.
Oh, right.
No,
Go play a bit.
No, yeah, go back.
Yeah.
Say you have proof. Say,
Yeah.
Oh, no, come up there, yeah.
Yeah.
Go back.
Catch a truck, you're passing.
Yeah. The chop, yeah, so it can be like one of them.
Yeah, we catch it, man.
Hey, you see me drop in the helicopter?
Yeah, boy, that's sick. That's sick.
And the soldier jeep,
Yeah.
when it pass,
Yeah, man.
thing there. Cause in a Tony mine, no, the pussy. Soldier out here. So me can't fire no shot.
Yo, when
Come
the
into
helicopter goes up, that's
Yeah, man.
alright, that big off. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Pleasure. Nothing for trace back.
So this now is dark, cause this conversation where you have with thing there, you know, is after what go on over there, so hear all of the things that went up on your mind. Your woman where you love so much is in bed with the enemy. Carlton gone with your daughter. Your life, your project where you're investing in for help get you legitimate is shut down. So it's dark. Cause you are, so you're gonna make him know now, say him are the source of all our discomfort.
Yeah.
The project shutting down, my daughter gone, my woman involvement with it, because if Mullings and him are brethren, you don't know if that association that lead to him too.
Exactly.
Cause remember, say, our name agent, Mullins, Carlton, the David, say, you're pre-selling.
Ah, remember saying no, a Celine,
Yeah.
the thing for thing there. But Miranda don't tell us that she would deal with she already.
Yeah.
Man, nobody after
Yes,
she will deal with it.
rascal. Yeah.
Exactly.
So you're happy pre.
So this is
Yeah, you're happy.
Say, I
happy
say.
pre.
right.
Yeah, but you know what you're saying. You're supposed to say Tony. Personal.
We told you just said it for me.
No, you not say it yet. Him to say, alright, so no him to say. Hold on.
Ratcliffe.
Let me try and remember how we
Tell you
go by
something.
it.
Carlton Wallace. And the source of Wallace.
Yeah.
New one. That is it.
Somebody that I watch them? Somebody that I watch them?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the movements are the thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's our first one.
And then the fact that you saw Luna there as well, she might be cold enough to say, get rid of the bench. If she look like she's playing the other side, get rid of her. What? And you, that is it. So you want to tell me that is not how it works. And how it works. Alright. have funny standing here. Have Miranda walking up from here. So, I'm up to you now. Strong.
Follow.
What them name?
They look like duckans to me.
Duckans?
Mansion that them living in.
No, see mansion there up there, sir.
Oh, okay. That's the castle.
That are them uptown. That are them uptown.
Bombay levels, them segregated. Uptown,
Yeah,
middle
man.
class,
Hierarchy, yeah.
downtown.
Hierarchy.
Bombay, yes, so we live Tony. I don't know, That big enough?
Yeah, man.
There's so much ants.
Yeah, that one there, the rich people one, you know?
Yeah.
Uptown, you bitch.
Uptown. Look down on the peasants.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Me and my cousins.
So if ants can have class, why we can't have class? See man, them have downtown house there.
Hierarchy, you know. So the peasants.
Yeah.
Uptown.
Yeah, way up. Yeah. I have midfield over there, so dear.
These people have a family on the roof. Put them that together.
Yeah, man.
That big.
Just show you how ants work.
And with the right eye, look at house, you know. If I up a mansion, them circle, you know. Have security guard up.